Today we are going to learn set tricks. Now let's get started. Here you can see I have created set A and set B. Set A is having 1, 2, 3. Set B is having 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now if I want to perform intersection, then I need to use this and symbol. Intersection is used to find the common element between this set. If I want to find the difference, like say I want to find the unique element, like if I join A and B, I want to find a unique element from A, then I need to use this hyphen symbol. If I want to find unique element from B, then B hyphen A. Like that, if I want to perform any union, say I want to get all the elements that is unique from this set A and set B, on that case I want to use this or symbol. Finally, we are going to learn symmetric difference. Symmetric difference is like I want to ignore the common elements. On that case, I want to use this XOR operation. This will allow me to get the unique element, like skipping the common element from the sets. Now let's try to run our code to validate the result. For that I'm going to use Python and I want to go into this directory, so one liners, then I'm going to type 240 because it's an 43rd tutorial. If I'm going to hit enter, here you can see I got the result. Let's try to validate it. For the first one we got 3. Here you can see the common element between this set is 3. Now let's move to difference. Like if I perform a difference P, that means I want to get the unique element from A. On that case I will get 1, 2 because 3 is available in set B. The same thing if I perform this inversely, like if I want to get the unique element from set B, then here I will get 4, 5, 6, 7. Here you can see it is showing. Now if I want to perform union is like combining all the elements and ignoring the duplicates, so I will get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now finally symmetric difference, it is like skipping common elements, so if I perform A XOR B, I will get 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7. 3 would be ignored. Thanks for watching.